Tita and Tito. Hi, Tita and Tito. Today is the day that you got married and exchanged vows to each other. I hope you enjoy the rest of your life together. For Tito Erwin, thank you for loving not only Tita Monique, but our whole family. Thank you for loving and caring for us. And when I get older, I will surely find a man that will love me like you love Tita Monique. I want you to know I am very happy for the both of you po. May God be with you through the tough times in your marriage. And thank you for supporting my dreams and my love for music. I will surely cherish all the memories that we have together. And I am looking forward for more. Starting today, you can now officially spoil me and my brother and cousins. And with all your love, a lot more. Even as I grow older, I will always be your baby girl. Mommy Elma is surely smiling and rejoicing in heaven right now. And she is watching over us tonight as we celebrate another chapter of the love of my tita and tito. And as we continue to celebrate, I will be singing a song that explores unwavering love and commitment through the highs and lows of a relationship. Sana po ang isa't isa ay manatiling iyong palagi. Love you, tita and tito. I hope you enjoy this song for you. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away bati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ako palagi, palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko mapagpalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ako sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto. Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kung dalangin kang sa huling sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman, iyo ako. Palagi.
Ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful rendition of Palagi by TJ